Hi.
그럼 너무 야하잖아, 그치?
A little bit. 근데 좋아. Hi guys. I actually filmed a video. We filmed a video earlier randomly. I was like, oh, I figured I would upload that one, but I was like, I got hungry. And then I was about to order McDonald's, but you were looking at Burger King because I don't like Burger King. But then I looked over at his phone. I remembered there's a Monster X burger, which has nothing to do with the group Monster X.
And their name is Monster X, right?
Oh,
And
it's literally
Monster X.
Monster X. I was like, that sounds like a good video idea. So I ordered it. I don't know. I don't really like. I feel like the meat in Burger King burgers is dry, but that's just me. I know you were saying that McDonald's looks like shit.
No.
So it's like-
No. They're all like junk food anyway, but McDonald's
I know,
is like junkier.
Chunkier Irani. I feel like Trisha Paytas. She's always like crying in her kitchen. And all the thumbnails are like,
Trisha doesn't play.
bro.
Oh, this one is mine.
I was gonna say, I was like, wow, that definitely not a Monster X looking burger. So this is what it looks like. The packaging. Love the packaging. Holy shit. Now this is where it's at, honey. I guess. Actually, that looks terrible on camera. I don't know how to make this look delicious. I don't know. 뭐 있어? 뭐 들어가?
Steak and hash brown, I think.
아, 그래? This doesn't sound very good. Oh, this is Hyunmin, by the way. He just started YouTube, but she already popped off. And you've only been on YouTube for like how many months? Like 2 months? Wow. Alright, well, I don't know what else to do. Just
Chips are cold. That's bad.
I was like, chips? What chips? You had a working holiday in Australia.
Yeah.
You visited places like London and
Yeah.
you learned English there. Okay. 잘 먹겠습니다. It's okay. It's alright. It's a little smoky, a little bit of spice. I mean, it's got that Burger King sort of sauce in there. I actually like my burgers like plain, like meat, cheese, and bun. 너는?
You see, like I've got real shrimps.
Sure.
I'm gonna try it.
듣고 있나요 내 마음을 보고 있나요 내 눈물을 이 세상에 하나
Did you get shrimp? Yeah.
오로지 단
Come.
하나 난 너
It's okay. They kind of taste similar, but this one just has sauce. I don't. 몰라.
근데 우리 shrimp 맛있잖아.
맛있어. 왜?
트리샤 어떻게 생각하세요?
She's pretty entertaining, I guess. Very controversial, but we all know I love that.
지금 그것 때문에 엄청 뜨고 있잖아.
아 그래?
So they broke up and 매일매일 올렸는데 그거 막몇 배.
About it. Yeah. I saw the videos on my feed, but I never watched any of them. But I was kind of like watching the situation from the titles. It was pretty fucking wild. I don't feel like finishing this on camera. But if I'm gonna have to rate this burger, 6.5 out of 10.
Not bad.
맛있는데? It's not my type. Again, I'm into like basic ass burgers. And also it's really flimsy and floppy. It looks nothing like the picture on the site, of course, but I can't expect it because it's like, does it ever happen? No. 생각보다 매워. It's actually kind of spicy. Like Joohoon's. Oh my god, I was trying to make some fucking rap reference. Because you know when they're rapping, they're like, oh, Spitfire. I couldn't make the connection.
And chips are fucking shit.
싫대. 안 좋대. 심한다고?
심하다.
And there's also actually some bacon in there. That was good.
베이컨?
Oh. Wow, that was beautiful. That was artful. What? Oh wow, okay. Anyway, thanks for hanging out for like 0.5 seconds with me today. Bye. Just come in, follow him on Instagram or YouTube if you want. See you.
So if you wanna get him a burger, get McDonald's.